In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video background to your Wix website page. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor. This is where you will make all the changes to your page design, and it gives you a live view of how your background will look as you work. Before making any edits, it's a good idea to make sure you are on the correct site and in editing mode, so the changes apply exactly where you want them. Next, select the page where you want the video background to appear. You can do this by using the Pages menu at the top left of the editor. Open that menu and navigate to the specific page you want to update. This is important because page backgrounds are usually set per Pascal G. So choosing the right one first helps avoid editing the wrong section of your site. Once you are on the correct page, open the background settings. On the left side of the screen, click Site Design, then choose Page Background. If you prefer a quicker method, you can also right-click any blank area on the page and select Change Page Background. Both options take you to the same place, so you can use whichever feels more convenient. From there, choose the video background option by clicking the video icon. This tells Wix that instead of using a plain color or image, you want motion in the background. Video backgrounds can make a page feel more modern and engaging, especially for landing pages, portfolios, or brand focused home pages. Now it's time to select your video. If you want to use your own footage, click Upload Media and choose an MP4 file from your computer. Make sure the video fits the style of your page and looks clean when used behind text or other content. If you don't have your own video ready, you can also use stock footage by selecting media from Wix or browsing free Shutterstock videos available in the editor. After choosing your video, click Change Background to apply it to the page. Then, open the settings gear to customize how it appears. Here you can adjust the playback speed, decide whether the video should loop, and add a color or pattern overlay. Overlays are especially useful because they can improve text readability and help maintain a polished, professional look. Take a final look at the page to make sure the background feels smooth, readable, and visually balanced with the rest of your design. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.